Everybody in my channel, today we have new combination question for you, so we can write this question: n square combination 2 is equal to 30 in combination 3. How we can find the value of n is unknown. So in this type of question we are expanding n square divided by 2 factorial, n square factorial, that will be n square factorial and n square minus 2 factorial. According to the formula we can write 30 n factorial and 3 factorial up to n minus 3 factorial. Now here is n square minus 2 factorial, so we are expanding this term up to n square into n square minus 1, n square minus 2 factorial is divided by 2 factorial, and n square minus 2 factorial is equal to 30. So that will be 30. Now expanding this term n factorial up to n minus 3, n into n minus 1, n minus 2 and n minus 3 factorial, we can write this term, and n 30 we can write 3, 2 and 1 and n minus 3 factorial. So this will be cancelled, and here is this value is also cancelled. So now we remaining this term n square, and we can write according to the formula a square minus b square. So this will be n plus 1 and n minus 1. According to the formula we can write this terms, and 2 divided by 2 is equal to, this will be cancelled, so we get n here 10. So and this is also cancelled, we get n 5. We can 5 n into n minus 1 and n minus 2. So according to this formula, so now we try to change here, cancellation is required in here n minus 2. Now we are expanding these terms, so n square into n plus 1, this will be equal to 2 is multiplied in here, this will be 10, and n square minus 2n, we also multiply this n to n minus 2 to each other. N square and n is also cancelled. Here is remaining n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and here we get 5 n minus 2. Now we are expanding this term, we can write n square plus n, and this will be multiplied to, and here 10 n minus 2. So n square plus n, 10 n minus 20. Now we change this term, and here n square plus n minus 10 n plus 20 is equal to 0. If we add this term, n square minus 9n plus 20 is equal to 0. Now this term minus 5n minus 4n plus 20 is equal to 0. Now we are making pairs, n is taking common, n minus 5 and minus 4 is common in here, n minus 5 is equal to 0. That means that here n minus 4 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. Now it means that here n minus 4 is equal to 0 or n minus 5 is equal to 0. So we transfer here to the right side, n is equal to 4, or, and this result is also transfer n is equal to 5. So we have get two values of n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more.